I'm here outside the Department of Education where parents are protesting for 24 hours to highlight the lack of special education classes for their children.
I'm here today in support of my son Charlie that needs a school place for September as he's turning 6. We're just trying to push the government to actually do what they need to be doing and, you know, support the rights of our kids.
Having to substitute for the failure of the state to vindicate the rights of their children, it is an absolute shame.
I'm here today to stand with 198 children that are locked out of education, one being my own daughter. My hope that is that the government listen to us and that they meet with the parents and they, instead of just saying words, let us see those words come into actions.
They need to provide a more coordinated system so they can really find out where the need is, what the individual needs of each child are, and that parents don't feel that they have to be applying for schools miles and miles away just to get their kid an education. It's very difficult, you know, you feel like you're letting your child down, you feel like, you know, he's being left behind, and it's just not, it's not good. It's not a nice feeling to have as a parent, you know.
What do we want?
School places!
What do we want?
School places!